Missing dividend, division. Hello genius, what is the missing dividend? The missing number is 18. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. What is the missing dividend? The missing number is 36. 36 divided by 6 equals 6. What is the missing dividend? The missing number is 100. 100 divided by 10 equals 10. What is the missing dividend? The missing number is 256. 256 divided by 16 equals 16. What is the missing dividend? The missing number is 81. 81 divided by 9 equals 9. What is the missing dividend? The missing number is 225. 225 divided by 15 equals 15. What is the missing dividend? The missing number is 140. 140 divided by 14 equals 10. What is the missing dividend? The missing number is 96. 96 divided by 6 equals 16. What is the missing dividend? The missing number is 72. 72 divided by 8 equals 9. What is the missing dividend? The missing number is 361. 361 divided by 19 equals 19. What is the missing dividend? The missing number is 10. 10 divided by 1 equals 10. What is the missing dividend? The missing number is 289. 289 divided by 17 equals 17. What is the missing dividend? The missing number is 1. 1 divided by 1 equals 1. What is the missing dividend? The missing number is 169. 169 divided by 13 equals 13. What is the missing dividend? The missing number is 144. 144 divided by 12 equals 12. What is the missing dividend? The missing number is 25. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. What is the missing dividend? The missing number is 121. 121 divided by 11 equals 11. What is the missing dividend? The missing number is 196. 196 divided by 14 equals 14. What is the missing dividend? The missing number is 324. 324 divided by 18 equals 18. What is the missing dividend? The missing number is 400. 400 divided by 20 equals 20. Well done, little genius. Hope you guessed them all correctly. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos.